So in here we got some ginger in here, we got some garlic in there, we got the beans them there. Hang on a minute. We got the I forgot what type of lettuce this is. We got the cinnamon basil, we got the lettuce as you can see. Lamb's lettuce, we got the mustard greens, we got the mint, we got the spinach, we got the raspberries, we got the pak choy, we got some onions in there. You see I've been picking them. Got some sweet corns there, the parsley there, more parsley there. We got some thyme here, we got more lettuce here, we got some kale here. The raspberries are coming. Aye, we got some gem lettuce there. We got some coriander that I'm about to pick for the food.